Hi there, my name's Brendan, and I guess I'm what you call a sourdough enthusiast. I've lived in the UK for years. My sourdough obsession actually started trying to recreate the style of sourdough bread I grew up with in the San Francisco Bay Area. For the past few years, I've been documenting my sourdough journey on Instagram. A lot has changed over that time, and especially in recent weeks. So if you're one of the millions of people who find themselves stuck in a house for the foreseeable future, then this might be the perfect time for your sourdough journey to finally take flight. So I started this channel a couple of months ago as a place to upload some scoring technique videos, but in light of recent changes, I think it's time to try something different. It's time to create a series for people who want to start from scratch and figure out how to bake sourdough bread San Francisco style. If this sounds like a challenge you want to take on, then join us in this series where in about 2 short weeks, you'll first use the flour you already have in your cupboard to create a sourdough starter from scratch, and then use it to bake some tasty San Francisco style sourdough bread. As of recording this video, we'll be starting tomorrow, and there'll be a new video each day for the next 2 weeks. If there are questions along the way, I'll be here to help. If you're watching this after our start, then just follow the videos in order and catch up on your own schedule. So if you know someone you think would want to take on this challenge, then please share this video with them. If that person is you, please click subscribe and turn on notifications so you get notified as soon as each new video is released. Thanks very much for stopping by. I can't wait to hopefully help you kickstart your very own sourdough adventure.